If you have an Apple computer, you might have spent a lot of time passively looking at these images. Recognize them? They're the default wallpapers that come loaded when you purchase a new Apple computer. I can't tell you how many hours I've spent working at my computer, seeing these pictures, and daydreaming about experiencing these places for myself. There have been 7 wallpapers since Apple changed the theme of their computer operating systems from cats to California locations in 2013. Conveniently, they are all within a day's drive from me, which sparked an idea for an epic road trip. But I needed some help. So I assembled a team with the best landscape photographer and best videographer I know to help me bring this idea to life. Together from my house in San Jose, California, we set out to recreate every Apple wallpaper in 1 week. The first stop on our journey was Death Valley National Park, the hottest place on Earth.
Well, time to get really hot.
And when I say the hottest place on Earth, I'm not lying. We were on our way to the hottest place on Earth in the hottest season of the year.
Where's the number when like humans can't do it anymore? Like 130?
Probably like 106 for me.
I'm scared.
I think we got enough water. Don't open it inside. What are you doing?
What?
It's bad luck.
Should we get 2?
So we get into the desert, and it's hot.
The weather was not joking. It really is 115 degrees outside.
Who's ready to die?
Like, really hot.
Oh God, this is awful. Oh my God.
Now, the issue was we didn't know which sand dune was in the photo or where the photo was taken from, so we were blindly searching across the dunes like Marlin looking for Nemo. And the photo we were trying to recreate was taken at sunset, when the sun hits the left half of the dunes, giving us a small window to get the perfect shot.
So, we missed the timing. The sunset, and we took too long finding. Took too long to scout the shots. We're about to get the sunset tomorrow.
That's right, huh?
A whole nother day at 115 degree weather. Say without a doubt I've never done anything like that in my life.
That was insane, dude. I'm finally feeling like I'm coming back alive.
Yeah, it was kind of like a haze.
Yeah, I feel like I died, and then there was just a ghost walking around aimlessly capturing video.
Day 2. After trying to stay cool the entire day in the desert heat, we were back at the dunes again before sunset for our last attempt.
How we doing back there, Andrew?
Notice how none of this sand is touched. It's because no one's stupid enough to come out here in the middle of July.
Now here's where things get a little tricky. We were trying to get the right shot by lining up the mountains in the background with the sand dunes, but there was no way to line up the mountains you see on either side correctly with the right view of the ridge. So we ended up having to settle on getting the shot from both angles.
Oh, that's sick! Alright, and we are going.
I mean, not too bad for a picture that was most likely photoshopped. So yeah, that was pretty hard, but afterwards, things started looking up.
We're too far to the right. We gotta get to the left more. Here, but he's further back.
We could just start walking from here.
Yep, this is perfect.
Should we be like on that rock? I think this might be it right here. I don't think I was really awake when you woke me up. I didn't know what was going on. I just kind of zombied out of bed and did what I was told. I'm still in a daze. I don't know what's happening. But look, you see right this rock is touching the edge here, and there's a big space. Yours is going like almost touching the mountain.
Looks pretty good.
I think that's it.
I think so. Oh yeah, it's coming.
Oh wow.
The aesthetic is just not
What?
as pleasing.
We didn't have to hike out to a sand dune in 120-degree weather 3 times, so I'm counting this as a win.
So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees and the rising sun. It is something we can't outrun. I do whatever it takes to hold you, whatever it takes to you. Wanna be in this game for two. When it all comes down, do you feel alive? Are you feeling lost? You were made to fly, but you're so
Doing some serious car renovations right now. Everything's just a mess.
We look like homeless people.
All right, we're all packed and good to go, and now it's about an hour-and-a-half drive to the 3rd Mac wallpaper that we're gonna go shoot.
High Sierra.
This looks like the hill right here. Yeah, this is the hill.
so I will stay around. And when you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood.
Andrew, what are the odds you just swan dive right in there?
Phone on me. They are waterproof now, aren't they?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I was not expecting that.
Listen up now. When it all comes down, do you feel alive? Are you feeling lost? That you were made to fight, but you're so much more than a memory. And it's not easy. You were made to fight. It's a shame. Still, waters run deep.
Yeah. Wow. We're scouting out macOS Yosemite. We're in a field right now, and Half Dome is right there. We need to get this whole left side of
Oh my god.
Half Dome showing. So this isn't it at all. Like, we gotta be going like way over there or something.
Wow, it actually was. Look at that.
Look at the angle of it. Just to see.
No, that's spot on, dude.
Yeah, that might be it.
That's spot on. Okay.
So where
we're going
is
to
that?
Fasion. So we gotta go to Curry Village.
It's like, seems like it's like way back there. Too high
Couldn't
up.
find it. This is the cuttiest of all cutty spots, Taylor. There was no rock paths that we hiked up. Second time round location scouting for the last Yosemite wallpaper we need to get.
Oh my god, dude. We did it! We found it. That view. This is definitely it. Yes. Oh my god, I'm gassed though. Hey.
Yes. Yes, dude. That's pretty much exactly it.
Now knowing that we had found the right spot, we decided to enjoy the rest of our day in the valley before returning at sunset to get the photo.
We're setting up the shot right now and we hear like some rocks falling to our left, and then all of a sudden one whizzes right by us.
Going like
So
50
fast.
miles an hour.
And someone's chucking rocks from up there.
Disintegrated once it hit the ground. We gotta get moving though. I want a freaking hard hat.
I don't know what to do. Like I want to get the shot but not trying to die. Alright, we gotta go.
Yeah, I love you guys.
That is actually so beautiful. Look at the light here. It's so
good.
similar.
Oh,
to
that's
the photo.
perfect. Right there is perfect.
This is easily the most beautiful view we've had this entire trip. The whole thing in Yosemite, there's so many people in this valley, and then you find this bridge up here above everything where no one's here, and you get this perfect view of Half Dome. And we really wouldn't have got this if we didn't, follow this path of Apple wallpapers. I know we have one more, but this really feels like perfect bookend to the trip.
When we left for our trip, we knew what to expect. We had seen these places countless times behind a screen and knew where the road would take us, but we never could have imagined how incredible the journey would be. In the end, the pictures we took weren't a perfect match. We didn't go during the right seasons or wait for the best conditions, but that wasn't what the trip was about. The trip was about the chase. It was about searching for some of California's greatest landmarks and seeing these places for ourselves. Because as amazing as these wallpapers are, snapped at the perfect time under the perfect conditions, they still will never compare to seeing them in person.
Whoa.
I don't think this is it.
Yeah, we really got to go in the right season next time.
What are you talking about? I got the shot.